Okay, I am on the Davis District School home site. I'm going to move to the right, find Quick Links. When I click on Quick Links, I get a menu. I'm coming to the middle of the menu where there is Email, Office 365. This opens all of my applications that are connected to Office 365. I am choosing all apps because I do not see the one I need. Over here is Clever. That is the one I need. My screen will look different than your screen. If you go to the class page, your page will look similar to mine, but you won't have a class list. My goal is to access ReadWorks. The code is underneath. The code reads 4SVH7Z. I am going to choose that shortcut. I am going to log in using your account. So I am choosing Student Login, where I need to enter my class code. 4SVH7Z. Then there is a list of others in our class. I will find your name right here, and that is where I'm going to select or click. Password is your PIN password. It starts with 60111. I'm not going to say the others though, so that no one else knows your password. I just entered it. I'm not sure if I did it right, so I'm going to do it again just to make sure. And I'm going to do it slowly because sometimes when I go too fast, I put in the incorrect password. Continue, and then I can see my assignments. Please do not do any of the assignments on page 1. Or any of the assignments on page 2, unless you want to. Page 3, you will start with what happens when it rains, which is due May 8th, but I accept it at any time. Why is the moon so scarred with craters? also do May 8th. I will accept it at any time. When water moves sediments. And the last one, how glaciers change the world. Those are the 4 I would like you to try to finish. If you want to do the others, that is your choice. I hope this helped. Mrs. Walton.